Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Today we are going to solve mock test for Accenture examination. In exam, similar kind of questions will be asked. Even you might get the same question which we are going to discuss today. So please watch the video till the end and also try to solve first by yourself and then only you watch the solution. Now, let us start with this particular question. So in a certain code language, Pete na so means bring me water. Okay. Na jo tor means water is life. So they have given the code and then the sentence. Now, what they're asking is which of the following represent is in the language. So basically, this is a coding decoding different type of question. And here you have to find the code for is. Now, so is here. So basically, friends, if you get a code for water and if you get the code for life, then the remaining one will become for is. Now you see in the first A, water is common, and in B also water is common. And what code is common? So Na is common. That means for water, the code will be Na, right? So you don't write it again. From by seeing the question itself, you will be able to answer. Then life. So B, we have life, and D, we have life. Okay. Now, so what is the code common here? So Joe. So Joe is for life. Joe is for life. That means what is remaining here? So TOD is remaining. That means TOD will become the code for is. That is what has been asked to you, right? Okay, now next question, friends. So in a certain code, Haryana is written as, so in a certain code, Haryana is written as 8197151. Okay. So friends, generally in my class, I teach a student that how you can keep the positions or the codes of the alphabet in mind. Now H, right? So friends, H. So what is the position of H? So if we'll try to close both the end, then H code will be 8, correct? A code is 1, correct? R. Now R. So what is the code for R? So friends, if you close this part, then it will look like 8, right? So code for R is 18. But here it is 9. How? Because they have added 1 plus 8 is 9. So if you have, right? So for any alphabet, so if you have two-digit number, then what they are doing, they are making a sum of it, right? Y. So y is what, friends? So y is 25 because Z is the last letter. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So again, they have added here, right? And then A is 1 N. So November 14th, right? November 14th is what? Children's Day. So the position of N will be 14. 1 plus 4 will be nothing but 5 here, correct? And A is 1. Now you have to write the code for Delhi. So Delhi is nothing but the fourth letter that you know. E is 5. L. L is what, friends? So lunch. What is the lunch time? So lunch time is 12 p.m. So, right? So the code for L will become 12 and 1 plus 2. Basically, if we have two digits, then we have to add and then write. Now H is what? So if we'll close this, then it will look like 8. So 8 and I, right? So we can write it like this also. So I look like as 9. 4, 5, 3, 8, 9. Option A is the correct answer, right? Now, friends, many of the students are not aware about the triangle question. Like how many triangles are there in the given figure? See, these things are not tough. But if you have not attempted it before the exam, then in exam definitely you will not be able to solve, right? I will tell you the tricks for this. So friends, you see the type 1. So here you write 1 and here you write 2, right? And then add both. So 1 plus 2 will become what? 3. That means total number of 3 triangles will be 3. You can also observe that this is 1, okay? And then this is the second one, and 1 is the complete part. Okay, now here you put 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now you add 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this total will become 10. So here the total number of triangles will be 10. Okay, now here you put 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. But we have two more similar like this, right? So 3 into 2, you can write 6, right? So what you do? So 1 and 2 is what? 3. And now we have two similar boxes, multiply by 2, right? Okay. Now here you can see you have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it is 6. And now we have how many? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 times. So 6 into 3 will become 18. Total number of triangle will become 18. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 9, 3, 12, 14, 15, right? And then friends, you can see how many times? 3 times. So total number of triangles will become 45. So this is how you have to solve this question in exam. And this kind of question has not come till now. So in exam, you can expect this kind of question to be asked. Okay, so these are the very important question, and you will be easily able to solve just by using this technique and method, right? Friend, this kind of questions this time might definitely come, right? So you have to practice this kind of question, and then only you will be able to solve it in exam. Let us move to question number 5, syllogism question. Before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, so we have basically launched reasoning and aptitude live plus recorded classes, and you will be also getting 10 free test series. Okay, and that too for 199 rupees. So friends, if you are going to attempt Accenture exam, then you should and must get this, because all these questions, right? So similar kind of questions which you see here, a lot of practice questions will be there. All this triangle, square, finding triangle, finding squares, syllogism question from basic to advanced, some not cases, each and everything will be covered in this particular live classes. Okay, so here mainly we will be focusing on reasoning, okay, and aptitude. So live and recorded session will be there, 10 hours of recorded session, and almost 8 to 10 hours of the live session will be there, and 10 free test series, everything all together only for 200 rupees, right? And this will be for all the examination, but right now Accenture examination is going on, and there are many people who have requested, and after 50 registrations we are going to make 300 rupees price, because our prices are very much nominal. Classes is starting from today, 16th of August. Today is the last day to enroll, Monday to Friday. Okay, so if you enroll it today, then you won't miss any class from today only live. If you are enrolling it tomorrow, then you will be getting only, I mean, today class you will miss, and you will have to get it recording will be available on daily basis, anyone can attend, and test series will be available from 20 of August, right? So each and every information just 110 rupees, get it today itself, don't miss this opportunity. Now friends, question number 5 is from topic syllogism, and it is one of the confusing topic for many students, and many of the student does the mistake in the examination. Friends, one thing, Accenture reject lot of a student after the interview. The reason is Accenture will be hiring or selecting you on overall performance, that is how you do in your reasoning, how you do in pseudocode, how you do in MS application, how you do in communication round. So every round marks matters, so you have to score more and more in every section. You should not do any mistake, you should solve it correctly. Now, so this question number 5, friends, let us try to solve it here, and whatever doubts will be there, we will try to clear it here. So all gold are platinum, so all the gold you send inside the platinum. Okay, no platinum is silver, so there is no relation between your platinum and silver. And some diamond are silver, so some diamond are silver. Now, in my every video of syllogism, I asked you to make the table, and then only you should proceed, right? Okay, so how this table will be useful, let us understand. So they are telling some diamond are silver, but what about platinum and gold relation with diamond? That they have not mentioned, right? So that you have to make inside a table. Now yesterday one girl has commented on one of the video of syllogism, and that case also I have covered here. So friends, here they are telling platinum does not have any relation with silver. Now gold is inside. If platinum outer side does not have any relation with silver, then definitely gold also will not have any relation with silver. So we can say no gold is silver. Okay, no gold is silver. Now we try to understand, friends. Suppose a thief comes. Okay, now, so this is your house, this is outside house, and this is inside, I mean outside room and inside room. Now if thief does not enter your main gate itself, then definitely he will not be able to come into the inside room also. So if this platinum only does not have any relation, then how this gold? Because this gold is inside. Okay, now friends, many of you will have confusion, and see, the only way you can remove the fear or the confusion or do it correctly by solving more and more question. Okay, now, so friends, if you want to solve more and more question, then go for it. This reasoning and aptitude live plus recorded classes, you will be getting a lot of things here. So in class itself I will do some 20 to 30 problem, so you will definitely get a lot of confidence. And not only for Accenture, any exam you are going to write in future, like TCS, IBM, Infosys, any exam, you will be able to do it correctly. Okay, now, so friends, no diamond are gold. So now many of the students will see diamond and gold. Okay, diamond is here, gold is here, they will mark it, they will mark it correctly that this is true. But friends, one thing which you have to keep in mind, that this diamond, this diamond can be, this diamond you can draw like this also, and it will not violate any of the statement. Okay, but anyway, for removing this kind of things only, I told you that mark table. So make a table. In table they're telling diamond and gold, right? So diamond and gold relation has not been given, so you do not have to even think, you can directly mark that this does not follow. No diamond or platinum, so diamond and platinum also relation has not been given, you can directly mark it does not follow. No gold or silver, so platinum does not have any relation with silver, gold is inside, gold also will not have any relation with silver. So this, now many of you are telling, sir, this relation also you have to put in the table, that gold and silver relation is not given. See, gold and silver relation is not given, but you see the diagram, they're telling platinum does not have any relation and they have put gold inside that, so that means they have also given the relation for gold and silver. So this is the only thing which you have to learn extra. Some silver is gold, right? See, when you are seeing no gold or silver, then you cannot say some silver is gold. Okay, that is very, very clear. So here only conclusion 3 follows, option 2 will become the correct answer, right? Okay, now, so this was one of the wonderful question. Now question number 6 here, friends. So given a series, so we have 2 5, we have 12.5, and we have x we have to calculate, okay, this, and 195.3125. See, my concern here is, see, 2 became 5, 5 became 12, 12 became something, something became 78, 78 became 195. That means definitely something is going to multiply here. Okay, that's the reason the numbers are becoming bigger and bigger. So now here we can see it is 2.5. Okay, because 2 into 2.5, right? See, we can understand in terms of multiplication, 2 into 2 will be 4, half of 2 is 1, so it is 5. Now then 5 into 25, 5 into 25 will be what, sir? It is 125, so definitely it will be 2.5. The next will be 2.5, right? So you forget about this decimals and all, you just multiply 125 into 25, right? So 125 into 25, how can you remember, how can you multiply? So this you can write 20 plus 5, 2 times will be 250, and 125 into 5 will be 625. So 5213, so it will be 31.25. You don't have to consider this decimal. See, basically you have to think little in different way, otherwise many of will 5 5 are 25, like this will be keep doing it, but this multiplication you could have done easily in the mind itself. Next, so friends, we have 81, we have 101, and then we have 121, and then we have what? Now, so friends, definitely what I could see here, this is 9 square and this is 11 square. It is quite evident, right? By seeing only you can say. But this 101, how we are getting it? So basically, if we have 9 here, then somehow we have to get the next factor in the terms of 9 itself. So this is 100 square plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 square plus 1. So here also 11 plus 1, 12. So 12 square plus 1. So this will be 12 square is 144 plus 1 will be 145, right? Friends, for this number series problem, no, the logic, right? So the logic for the question might be different. Okay, the logic for the question might be different, but answers you should be getting it same. Okay, now, so now, friend, this kind of questions is been asked more in the examination. Okay, and this all we are going to cover in this aptitude and reasoning sessions, friend, this live classes, whatever it is there. Now, so 5 friends, P Q R S T. Okay, so basically we will not write this, because if you write P Q R S T, no, so it will not give you more information. So always was what you should do, no, so you should write first the complete thing, based on that you should make a table. So 5 friends, PQRST, travel to a 5 different cities of Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad by 5 different modes of transport of bus, train, aeroplane, car and boat from Mumbai. Okay, so from Mumbai they are going to 5 different places. Now, the person who traveled in Delhi did not travel by boat. R went to Bangalore by car, S traveled by boat, T traveled by train, Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi. So what we will do, we should write, because this transport they have talked a lot. So transport only we will write. So transport, what we have bus, okay, we have train, okay, we have aeroplane, okay, and then we have car, and then we have boat here. Okay, now, so transport, because they have discussed more about that. Now this portion I will remove so that we will be having more space. Fine. So now we will try to find out the definite statement, like R went to Bangalore by car. So car, R went by car to Bangalore. So this is clear, no tension. Now, and Q went to Kolkata by plane. So Q went to Kolkata by plane. Okay, Kolkata by plane. So these two are clear. Fine, no problem. Then the person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. Okay, so the person who traveled to Delhi did not travel by boat. So this, by boat you cannot go to Delhi. That is also very clear. Okay, fine. and Mumbai is not connected by bus to Delhi and Chennai. So from Mumbai, you cannot go to Delhi and Chennai by bus. Okay. Now, so friends, one thing is very, very clear. Okay. So one thing is very, very clear. If we have to go to Delhi and Chennai, you cannot go by bus, right? So you cannot go by bus. Okay. Now, so friends, what are the possibilities we have? Okay. So from bus, where all you can go, right? So from bus, you cannot go to Delhi, you cannot go to Chennai. Okay. So you cannot go to Delhi and you cannot go to Chennai. Then what are the other places are there? So we have Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, so Kolkata, Bangalore, you cannot go. Delhi, you cannot go. And Chennai, you cannot go. So what is the one place is remaining? So we have Hyderabad, right? So from bus, we can go to Hyderabad. From bus, we can go to Hyderabad, right? So by bus, we can go to Hyderabad. Okay, fine. Now, friends, one thing is clear. So now we have two places. So now we have Delhi, okay? And now the remaining one is Delhi and Chennai, right? So Delhi, you cannot go by boat. So by boat, you will have to go to Chennai only. So by boat, you'll have to go to Chennai only. So by train only, you can go to Delhi, right? So these things we have got it. Now, so S traveled by boat. So S is traveling by boat. T traveled by train. T traveled by train. So P would have been traveled by bus. Okay, now they're asking which of the following combinations of person and mode is not correct. So P bus. So P bus is correct. Q aeroplane is correct. R car correct. S boat correct. T aeroplane no. T is going by train. T for train. So this will become wrong. So this is how you have to understand it, and then you have to solve it in the examination. Okay. Now, friends, C programming questions are getting asked more in the exam. So in a C, parameter are always. So friends, in a C, parameter is always passed by value. If you want to pass the parameter by reference, then you'll have to explicitly define pointers, and then only you will be able to send the parameter. But by default in a C, parameters are always passed by value. So this kind of questions has been asked in the examination. Which of the following is not a logical operator? So friends, see, this is and logical and. So this is a logical and. So this is nothing but my logical operator. This is logical not. Okay, so this is logical not. Okay, so this is also a logical operator, and this is by logical or, right? This is by logical or, right? So this is also a logical operator, and then definitely this, because this is nothing but bitwise operator, right? So this is nothing but bitwise operator. So this particular, the last one, is not a logical operator, right? Okay, now, so which is required in each C program? So friends, always remember, in a C program, you always remember at least one function, otherwise you will be getting the compilation error, right? And you will not be able to execute, or that program will not be correct. Okay, so what is required in each C program? So the program must have at least one function. Okay, now question number 12. So which is a valid C expression? So friends, in a C expression, okay, so in a C expression, basically, so you cannot use comma. Okay, so you cannot use comma. So I could see a comma in A, that is removed. You cannot use a space. Okay, you cannot use special characters, right? So I could see a special character here, gone. I cannot use a space, so a space here, gone. So obviously option B, which is correct answer. Right, now the C preprocessor are defined with which symbol? So friends, you all know, right? So we have, right? So we have define function, right? So sorry, I mean, we have to use the preprocessor here, and then we have end if here, right? Okay, okay, then we have if def. So these are the preprocessors. C preprocessors are specified with has sign. Okay, now, so friends, if you definitely think that this video is useful for you, then do like and share with your friends, and more videos will be done in the future. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.